Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to set up an auto reply for your Gmail account. We do it by first going to either google.com and pressing on Gmail here, or typing mail.google.com. Doing this will take you to your main Gmail inbox. We go to the top right here, settings, press on it, then press on see all settings. In the general tab, we scroll all the way down to vacation responder, which is what Google calls auto reply. We press on vacation responder on. Here, it will ask you for the first day where it starts auto-responding or auto-replying, and you can also set up the last day. For this field, you'll input the subject line. So as an example here, let's say test auto-reply. In the bottom here, you can input whatever you want Gmail to respond. As an example, let's say, greetings, I'm currently out of office. You can also add, please contact my backup so-and-so for assistance. And then let's say as an example, I put email here. Up here, you'll see the different properties that you're able to change. As an example, the font that is used. Let's say here, I'll change it to Georgia. Here, you're able to change font size. Let's say large, huge, or just normal again. You can also bold, any highlighted text, italic, and so on, any of these other features. You can also add a link where either you take the person you're responding to a certain website, or as an example here, you can see to what URL this link would go. So if the user presses on this link, it will take them to a certain website, or you can insert an email address. As an example here, let's say test@gmail.com, then press OK. As you can see here, anyone that presses on this link will be able to send an email to test@gmail.com. You can also change the text color that is used, or add an image, alignment, and other features. For this check mark, you can choose to only respond to people in your own contacts, but I choose to leave it unchecked in case some people use other emails than they usually do, or you have new customers emailing you and so on. You would like them to know that you are currently out of office, so I leave it unchecked and then press on Save Changes. Once it's saved, it will bring us back to the main inbox, and as you can see here in yellow, it says that test auto reply, the subject line that we had, is currently active. We can either end it now if we want to stop auto replying, or we can change the settings by pressing on vacation settings. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and here are some other guides that might find useful.